Fish. And then you're part of Team Carf
Yeah.
Models. So tell me about that.
Probably the best manufacturers of model airplanes. You know, we have jets, we have prop planes, sailplanes, whatever you want.
Okay. And then you're out here at the Coachella Jet Jam 2022 today.
Right.
So what have you been flying?
I've been flying the Carf SU-27, which is right over there behind the table.
Okay.
I've been flying this Rebel Max, and I've been flying the Kubus 3, which is a power glider, turbine power glider.
Okay. I saw you flying the Rebel Max. It was awesome. That thing's massive. It overshadows most of the other jets here.
It's amazing. It's probably the easiest jet to fly and the most fun to fly. It's
Okay.
so neutral. You can do whatever you want with it.
Okay.
It feels like flying a simulator.
I think I met you. I went to Best in the West when I first saw these as well. So
Yeah, it was great. And in Best in the West, there were much better pilots than me that were flying this exact plane.
Uh-huh.
Spencer Nordquist and Brian Mack, they did amazing stuff with it.
awesome.
Yeah.
Well, it looks good out there. So are you going to come to any of the? When's your next rally?
I think that's gonna be maybe Tucson Jets.
Okay.
And then we have Kings Canyon, which is the best probably. That's gonna be Kings Canyon. Come.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be end of April. And then we were talking about Ridley.
Ridley,
Right.
yeah.
What, end of May?
End of May. I'm going to go to that for sure. I already have my spot booked.
Great.
Cool. And so where can people find you if they're looking for your manufacturing specialty?
Well, carfmodels.com. Carf-models.com.
Carf-models.com. Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.